Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change font or customize font in Internet Download Manager on Windows. So first of all, we want to open our Internet Download Manager and we have the program started here, and then you want to go to View and then click on Font. So after you have clicked on font, you will see this choose font option and you have to click on this, and then you will get this, and from here you can choose the type of font you want, like if you want to choose century, or like if you want Comic Sans MS. And then about the style, you can customize that too. You can choose italic bold or bold italic and the size that you want. Currently we can see how our text will look like in this sample, and after selecting all of your things you have to click OK, and it is saying the fonts will change. If I want to restart IDM right now, and I really want to see it right now, so I'm going to click yes, and the item is restarting, and we can see that the font has changed and it's really big, like wow. Okay, I'm going to close now, and you can see I can't even read half of the things here. It's not showing the full details because the fonts are literally so big. So what I'm going to do right now is go to view and then go to fonts and click reset to default font, and what it will do, it's going to go back to the default font, and that's what I want it to be, because I really cannot use it right now. And you can see it has come to the default option, and we can actually read it right now. But if you want to customize your font in a specific manner that helps you to see the text on IDM, that is the way to go, and that's how you do it.